Wow! Hi guys! For today's video, get ready with me to go to sleep. Go to sleep. Dapat guys, malaking brush din yung ginagamit mo para hindi ganun karami ang nalalagos na buhok. O, diba? Ito lang yung nalagos na buhok sa akin. Ganyan lang. Pag yung manipis yung sukla yung ginagamit ko, napakadaming nalalagos. So, ngayon, mag-unbox tayo, guys. Yes. So, nagpadala ang Nambazi. And later, ito yung gagamitin nating skincare, yung Anua Brightening Pad. Yep. Tonight, mag-unbox muna tayo bago tayo matulog kasi dumating na yung padala ni Nambazi. So, let's go. Wow! They have the Numbazine Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Toner Pads and another toner pads. Glutathione Vitamin C, Super Glowing Essence Toner, Bifida Ferment Filtrate Niacinamide. Wow! Wow! Skin Softening. Number 3. Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Serum 5%. Numbazine Galactomyces plus Bifida Pore Tightening and Skin Softening. Single Pore Softening Sheet Mask. Wow! Number 3 mask. Parang mas gusto ko na lang itong gamitin tonight instead of this toning pad. Pero ito kasi hindi ko pa rin siya natatry. Ay, ang galing!
What?
Ah, ang galing! So, pwede pang maging lagayan ko ng kung anik-anik. Okay.
Ang talino ko doon.
Ang cute na everything is pink. Like pink, pink, yellow. Let's try the skincares of Numbazine. You are our philosophy. Wow. You are our philosophy. You are our philosophy. Wow. Wow. Ganda ng packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it. Okay siya. It is actually good sa skin ko. Like, nararamdaman ko kasi kung okay siya sa skin or not. Kapag give away ba natin itong mga to. I'll keep this soft softening serum. Okay, meron silang toner. So, try natin to next time. Since nakapaglagay na tayo ng serum. And another Glutathione Vitamin C serum. So, hindi ko alam paano gumamit ng vitamin C serum. Pero alam ko kasi, kapag parang nag-azulate or parang marami ka ng actives na ginagamit sa mukha, is babawasan mo na yung ganito mo. So, I don't know. But yeah, I'll definitely try this one to next time. Tapos yung mask nila, I'll try din next time since nakapag-serum na nga ako. Okay, that's it for today's video. Yun lang naman. Good night.